Hello everyone. Today we are going on an angle hunt. We have a figure full of triangles and crossing lines, and hiding inside it is a mystery angle called X. To catch it, we will use some of the most important angle facts in primary 6 geometry. Are you ready? Let's go! Here is our question. In the figure, ABC, BFD, and EFC are straight lines. BD is equal to CD. Find angle X. Now look carefully at the figure. Line ABC runs from A through B up to C. Line BFD runs from B through F down to D. And line EFC runs from E through F up to C. At B, angle ABE is 86 degrees. At C, angle FCD is 40 degrees. At D, angle BDC is 62 degrees. And there is our mystery angle X sitting at E, between EB and EF. Alright, let's organize our clues. First, ABC, BFD, and EFC are straight lines. Straight lines are wonderful because angles on a straight line always add up to 180 degrees. Second, BD is equal to CD. Do you see what that means? Triangle BCD has two equal sides, so it is an isosceles triangle. Third, we are given three angles: 86 degrees at B, 40 degrees at C, and 62 degrees at D. And what do we need to find? Angle X at E. Here is the clever part. X sits inside the big triangle BEC, so we will not need the crossing point F at all. Before we solve, let's sharpen our tools. We only need three angle facts. Fact 1. In an isosceles triangle, the base angles are equal. Fact 2. Angles on a straight line add up to 180 degrees. And fact 3. The angles inside any triangle add up to 180 degrees. That's it. 3 facts, 3 moves. Let's solve it step by step. Step 1. The big triangle BCD. Since BD equals CD, its base angles are equal. 180 minus 62 is 118, and half of that is 59. So angle DBC and angle DCB are both 59 degrees. Step 2. Zoom in on C. The whole angle DCB is 59 degrees, and the given 40-degree angle takes part of it. So angle BCE is 59 minus 40, 19 degrees. Step 3. The straight line ABC at B angle ABE is 86 degrees. So the angle on the other side, angle EBC, is 180 minus 86, 94 degrees. Step 4. The finish. In the big triangle BEC, the three angles add up to 180. So X is 180 minus 94 minus 19, 67 degrees. Let's do a quick check. In triangle BEF, 35 plus 78 plus 67 equals 180 degrees. Perfect. So angle X is 67 degrees. Well done, everyone. Remember our 4 angle facts: isosceles base angles, angles on a straight line, angle sum of a triangle, and vertically opposite angles. With these tools, no angle can hide from you. See you next time.